Hey Delmarva, I'm Laura Davis from Tide Thyme, and today I am in the DelmarvaLife kitchen making homemade hot chocolate. Be sure to tune in. It's showtime!
As the cold and chill creep in during the winter weather, few things can comfort us better than a warm, steamy beverage.
That goes double, of course, if it's sweet. And that's the game plan here in the DelmarvaLife kitchen today. We're here with Laura Davis from Tide Thyme Food Blog. Welcome back to the DelmarvaLife kitchen.
Yes, good to see you.
As always, thanks for having me back, guys.
We need to warm up, and
Yes.
we need some sweet.
It's definitely cold outside, and what fits the bill better than hot chocolate? So many people
Absolutely.
just go for a packet, and it's so easy to make it yourself with what you have. You can kind of switch it up to make it fun or make it more festive, whatever you want to do. But this is a good base recipe, and then we'll talk about some stuff that we can add.
Okay, all right. So it looks like you already have something going on here.
I've got, we have our new stove here.
Oh, yeah, yeah, the
Nice,
cookhouse.
DelmarvaLife. I've got 2 cups of whole milk. I like whole milk because
Yeah.
it's a little bit richer and creamier, but if you wanted to use 2% or whatever you wanted would be fine.
Sure.
I also added some half and half to it just
Okay.
to make it extra
It
creamy
makes it creamier,
and
yeah.
filling. We've got our Shinkatia Christmas parade tomorrow night.
Yeah.
So I always fill up a big thermos of it and take it down there. And I guess we'll see how warm it's going to be. I think it's going to be not,
It won't be
not
as
the
windy.
coldest
It won't,
year.
it
Oh,
won't be
good.
windy, so we
Oh,
got that
good.
going for us.
All
Okay,
right.
so we've got this warming up.
Turn it up a little more there.
Let's kick it up. I'm
Yeah.
so used to
There
the
we
old
go.
one,
Yeah.
just burning us right on out of the kitchen. So here we have some cocoa. Now this is just Hershey's. They have a Dutch, their special dark cocoa that they make, which
really?
you can just get at the grocery store. I can get
Sure.
it down where I am or up here. Dutch processed cocoa powder is a little bit finer of a mill, and it has some things added to it that make it melt down in a liquid a lot better. But regular cocoa is fine.
Okay.
Or if you wanted to use like a dark chocolate, like a chocolate that you, get to it.
Thank you. You just direct traffic. I'm going to start
A
mixing.
dark
it up.
chocolate that you melted down into it. Sometimes I'll add that too.
Okay.
So it's
I can see it's going to take a while, isn't
right.
it?
It's kind of fickle.
Yeah, I've
Cocoa.
noticed that cocoa doesn't exactly mix up.
And if you had like a plastic
whisk.
Spatula, whisk.
that would be good.
Okay.
See, look, it's already coming together right
Oh, it
there.
is.
Yes, it
Okay.
Let's add a little bit of sugar. This is I busted out all the fancy stuff today. I brought
Oh.
my homemade vanilla sugar.
Homemade. What?
This is a great gift too. If splurge on a half a pound or a pound of vanilla beans. It's a little bit late to make extract right now to give us gifts, but vanilla sugar, totally. Put it in a mason jar, a couple vanilla beans, fill it up with sugar, shake it every few days, and then you can see the flecks in it, and it's just so perfectly, just that perfect hint
Yeah.
of
Oh,
vanilla.
I like that. That'd be good in
So,
coffee.
Yes, definitely good in coffee. Ooh,
Yeah,
sponge.
yeah. Our first mass on our.
Hey, we got one
Down.
first today.
Looking good, looking
Yeah.
good. And it's warming right up. Let's do some homemade whipped cream.
Oh, I
to
love
go with
homemade
it.
whipped
You
cream.
could do the marshmallow root, the fluff, or regular marshmallows. But I kind of like whipped
The
cream.
homemade. I do too. I like homemade whipped cream.
So we're gonna need this sugar in here. too.
Okay. So that you use the heavy whipping
Yeah,
cream. and
heavy
just-
whipping cream, about a cup. Here.
Okay. And do you put the sugar in first, or do you start whipping it and then put the
I like to start whipping it so it's not as heavy.
Okay.
It gives you a little.
Well, here's the thing. It's time to take a little break.
Okay.
And that's good because then we can whip this up during the break and we can
Yeah,
hear
and that makes all that
of the
noise.
sound of the,
And our
the
hot
mixer.
cocoa will be ready, and then we'll come back and talk about all the fun and festive twists on it.
I
All
like
right.
that. We have a plan. You want to make sure you stick around. DelmarvaLife will be right back.
We are mere moments away from enjoying a cup of hot cocoa, but we've got a few fancy ways to fix it up. We're back here in the DelmarvaLife kitchen with Laura Davis from Tide Thyme Food Blog. So, we've made the hot cocoa. We've made the whipped cream.
We've got it all locked and loaded. Let's do this.
Have we put everything you want to
Yeah,
put vanilla?
yeah.
Okay.
I put the vanilla in here
Oh, okay.
already, and
Okay.
a little bit of that vanilla sugar,
Oh,
and just
yeah.
whipped it up till it was stiff. I do want to add a little tiniest pinch of salt
Okay.
to this, though, and a splash of vanilla.
Why the salt?
It just brings out, it makes chocolate better.
Okay.
A little bit of salt makes your chocolatey more chocolatey. Also, incidentally, coffee. A little bit of,
I've heard that too.
that is something that you could totally add to it, to kind of like a mocha. If you took your cup of coffee and added hot chocolate to it,
Okay.
boom, got yourself a mocha.
Okay. That's something I learned today. I'm
Let's
going to try
get
that.
our cups
Okay.
ready. And
So I can go ahead and
yeah,
lift
go
this up.
ahead and get that ready to dollop on top.
that.
Now, if we wanted to make it a salted
test it.
caramel,
Yes.
take some caramel sauce, add a little bit more salt.
Oh.
If you
okay.
wanted a Mexican-inspired twist, a little pinch of cayenne pepper
Ooh.
and some cinnamon. Cinnamon on its own, also delicious.
I'm just cleaning this because we don't have a sink anymore, so I need to clean it.
Some peppermint extract
my
in there, or peppermint schnapps. I thought I had a bottle in my pantry, but my I think our elf on the shelf must have.
Uh-oh.
What are you
Ben.
looking for?
I was looking for a ladle.
Oh, she's got it.
Oh, she's got it.
Yeah, I got it right here.
Oh, okay.
Bro, she don't need no
We
stinking
don't have
ladle.
a ladle at the Christmas parade, Mike. Go ahead and top it up. Let's leave a little room for that whipped cream, though,
Of course.
or marshmallows,
Yes.
or whatever,
Or both.
or
Or both.
whatever you fancy.
That's right.
You want to get some scoops of whipped cream there, Lisa?
Dollops.
This one's
here.
your cup. Mike's. Oh, whoa.
Well, there we
Hey.
go.
Continue to
Let
make
it
the
go,
mess. It's
baby.
okay. It's a Friday.
Yep.
We got all weekend to clean up.
Is that enough?
Okay, yeah, I think so.
That's plenty.
It's your.
Oh, yeah.
yours.
It's yours.
Okay, so
A little bit of cinnamon on top, perhaps.
I'll do a little, yes. Please, thank you.
We're down to the.
perfect.
Oh,
There we
there
go.
you go.
Little-
I get
here's
it. I
just
get
a
all
little
the
bit-
cinnamon.
little
Thank
bit
you
more.
so much.
Cheers to Friday.
Here is Friday, yeah.
Cheers to Christmas on Delmarva.
And we know, so when we see you tomorrow at the Chincoteague Christmas Parade, you might
Come find me.
come find you and
You
hit you up for
better
some
be
hot cocoa.
packing some peppermint schnapps.
And-
though.
and-
Makes it a little warmer.
Oh, that is delicious.
That's fantastic.
Good.
So if you see me next to wow, baby fog. Laura, I'm sorry, Laura. Baby fog. It was a
No,
night
no,
last night,
it's- it
so I
is. That
apologize.
bubble.
That bubble. But this is incredible. And if I find Laura before anybody else does, she's probably not going to have the thermos.
Well,
at
and
the
if
parade.
if it warms up, you could always ice it down and make a frozen hot chocolate too, which is also
That is
It's a
so
great idea,
delightful.
Oh my goodness.
Thanks for having me, guys.
Thank you
this
for
is
coming
delicious. Thank
in. So good to see you.
Always.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Here's to 2025.
Yes.
Cheers. See you 2024. I'm
Go.
ready to let it go.